Do you know how to color? Yeah? Oh, it's not going to be bright. There's no flash. What are you doing now? You're not tired, are you? There's no flash, silly. Are you going to draw a picture? Can we see? Well, you did a good job. Good job, Teeny. Yeah, good. It's not going to flash. Let's see. You did a good job, Teeny. Okay.